Hey there! I just discovered something absolutely magical on the Irmo AI app that I had to share with you. They've added a new Ghibli anime video feature that transforms your regular photos into stunning animated scenes straight out of a Studio Ghibli film. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it. This new feature captures everything we love about Ghibli films: those dreamy landscapes, the gentle animations, floating clouds, and that enchanting atmosphere from classics like Spirited Away and My Neighbor Totoro. It's like having Hayao Miyazaki's animation team inside your phone. Creating your own Ghibli animation is incredibly simple. First, open your Irmo app and look for the new Ghibli video option on the main menu. Tap on that. Next, you'll need to select a photo from your gallery. Nature shots work beautifully. Think landscapes, gardens, forests, or even city parks. Finally, just hit generate and wait a few seconds while Irmo works its magic. What happens next is truly incredible. Your static photo transforms into a living, breathing Ghibli world. The color palette shifts to capture that distinctive watercolor-like Ghibli atmosphere, with soft, dreamlike lighting that makes everything feel enchanted. I've been experimenting with different photos all day. Try using a picture of your pet to see them transformed into a Ghibli companion character. Cityscape photos turn into scenes reminiscent of Whisper of the Heart. Even simple selfies get a magical Ghibli makeover that has to be seen to be believed. You can use these animations as unique social media posts, custom wallpapers, or just to experience the joy of seeing your world through Ghibli's enchanted lens. If you want to create your own Ghibli-inspired animations, download Irmo AI right now. The new Ghibli feature just launched, and I promise you'll be creating magical animations for hours.